How to make money on YouTube in 2021, 15 effective ways.
Your YouTube video organically crossed 10,000 views and received a lot of positive feedback from viewers. The exposure and fanfare from this first hit have made you curious. You're thinking, is it genuinely possible to make money on YouTube? Do you have enough talent to deliver another hit video? Can you generate enough revenue to make a living through YouTube? The answer to all of the above questions is, most probably, a resounding yes. But wait. Aren't you going to compete with thousands of professional musicians, filmmakers, media houses, and small businesses? Yes, you are. Every video creator wants a slice of the attention of the 2 billion logged-in monthly users on YouTube. Want to make a living from YouTube? Don't rely on AdSense. The most straightforward way of making an income through YouTube is monetizing the video viewership of your channel with advertisements. That's how media houses function. But I'll share how to make money from the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, in the end. Why? Relying on advertisements is a weak monetization strategy, given that YouTube stars with 1.4 million monthly viewers also end up earning less than $17,000 a year. The platform has also started strictly monitoring content and demonetizing videos that are inappropriate for advertisers. If you want to make a decent income on the video hosting platform, make a mindset shift. Treat your YouTube channel as a brand and build a business on top of it with multiple income streams. 1. Offer video editing services. Who's it for? All kinds of video creators. Difficulty, easy to intermediate. As a YouTube creator, the first lucrative skill with market demand is video editing, given you've been doing it for your own videos. 2. Become an affiliate and review products. Who's it for? All kinds of video creators. Difficulty, easy. Getting a sponsorship could require a large subscriber base. But you can still associate with brands and earn commissions by reviewing their products that are relevant to your audience. 3. Get brands to sponsor you. Who's it for? Video creators with an engaged audience. Difficulty, beginner. Users log into YouTube to intentionally consume videos, not scroll passively like other social media platforms.
4. Sell your branded merchandise. Who's it for? Live streamers and creators with a loyal following. Difficulty, intermediate. Within 2 years of launching its consumer product business, the Ryan's World franchise is on track to surpass $500 million by the end of 2020. You might shrug, thinking Ryan is the highest paid YouTube creator, but guess what? Most YouTube creators with a loyal audience are now selling their merch. 5. Sell online courses and other informational products. Who's it for? Creators who educate and teach skills to their viewers. Difficulty, intermediate. If you're educating your YouTube audience through your videos, then you already have a lucrative opportunity to make money. You can package your expertise and teach a skill relevant to your subscriber base through an online course. The subject for the same could be validated by what your viewers have shown interest in. Other digital products such as ebooks, templates, workshop events, printables, and downloadables are also great bets. 6. Start a paid membership program. Who's it for? Creators who have the bandwidth to create exclusive premium content. Difficulty, intermediate. You can even turn around your loyal audience members into an exclusive community with special benefits, such as access to the digital products you created in the last step. People interested can pay a membership fee, bringing in recurring monthly revenue for you.
8, 9, and 10. Consult, coach, and speak. Who's it for? Creators who educate and teach skills to their viewers. Difficulty, intermediate. Do you have a specialized skill that brands can leverage to generate more revenue? If yes, you can become a marketing consultant offering paid services.
11 and 12. Conduct physical events. Who's it for? Most kinds of video creators. Difficulty, intermediate to advanced. Note, due to the ongoing situation, you'll probably need to skip this monetization strategy. As a YouTube creator, your videos might educate, inform, inspire, and entertain your audience. How about taking your relationship with your audience to the next level by providing these experiences live? Here are the 11th and 12th ways. Learn how to make money from AdSense on YouTube. This is the first income stream that most YouTube creators consider because it appears straightforward. But you need to get accepted into the YPP for taking a cut of the revenue generated from showing ads on your videos. The YPP requires you to fill an application once you meet the threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time in a year and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. You also need to create advertiser-friendly content, obey the community guidelines, adhere to the YouTube Partner Program policies, and get an AdSense account.